Hi students, we are starting our next topic of the chapter, that is machinery and the enzyme. In living cells, for example Escherichia coli, the process of replication requires a set of catalysts. The main enzyme is referred as DNA dependent, that is DNA polymerase. So this enzyme uses as a DNA template to catalyze the polymerization of deoxynucleotides, being highly efficient to catalyze in a very short time. Any mistake during replication results in mutation. Mutation, we know, that is immediate changes. DNA cannot be separated in its entire length. The replication occurs within a small opening of helix, and which is known as replication fork. The template with polarity 3 to 5 is called continuous strand, and the template with polarity 5 to 3 is called discontinuous strand. The discontinuously synthesized fragments are later joined by the enzyme known as DNA ligase. A definite region where the replication originates is known as origin of replication. Now we are starting with transcription. It is a process of copying genetic information from one strand of DNA into RNA is known as transcription. Earlier also we have discussed double-stranded DNA converts into single-stranded RNA, and on which script is written in the form of the characteristics. Transcription occurs in the nucleus during cell cycle. DNA has the promoter site where transcription starts, and it has terminator site also where transcription stops. Now this is the replication fork, means this is the part where script is written. Now you can see this is the fifth end of DNA, this is third end of DNA, and this entire part is known as replication fork. Now here you can see 3:5, 3:5. Now it is starting from third end and it reaches to the fifth end, and here it is starting from fifth end and then goes till third end, and this is the area where script will be written in the form of the characteristics. This is known as the DNA replication fork. Now we will study. This is, you can see, this is the fifth end, third end, fifth end, third end, fifth end, third end, fifth end, third end again, and this is the direction of fork movement. Now here this is leading strand template, and this is left-handed fork, and this is lagging strand template of right-handed fork. Reaction starts from one end and completes at other end. As you can see, reaction is starting from here, it is going here, and this is leading strand template of right-handed fork, and here direction of fork movement. Now this is the direction of fork movement, and this most recently synthesized DNA. The way characters will be written or script will be written on the DNA, and according to that newly synthesized form of DNA will come in the coming offspring. We'll see here, this is the characteristic. Suppose you can see this is the characteristic, and it is movement. And here how it is moving, you can see this is leading strand template, this is lagging strand template, this is left hand fork, this is right hand fork, and according to that newly formed DNA, as you can see on the screen. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending its PDF. Thank you.